Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Hey there everyone, welcome back to DIY Design by CCW. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Guys, I am coming back to you today with a short little video, and it is the Tropical Vibes Tablescape collaboration. Guys, this is hosted by HomeBody with Forlisa and or Forlisa, I'm sorry, and also Suli, My Style, My Colors. Now, both of these ladies, I'm just telling you, I'm blown away by both of their content. I actually follow them on this channel as well as my personal channel. I learned so much watching their videos. For Lisa, I mean, her eye for color, design is just fantastic. I love watching her make over her home and change and experiment with different colors and decor throughout her home. Just fantastic. So if you don't subscribe, please go over and subscribe to HomeBody with Forlisa. Also, My Style, My Colors, Miss Suli, same thing. Just beautiful eye for color and design. I truly enjoy watching her. And again, if you don't subscribe to her channel, make sure you go over and visit her today and go down and visit the playlist, because you're going to be amazed at what you're going to see today. So you won't regret that. Now, guys, we didn't have any rules for this. You know, basically we could do whatever decor we wanted. And I kept mine kind of simple for this tablescape. You guys know I can be team too much, but I kind of didn't do that this time. But I did try to give you a tropical vibe. So I'm going to stop talking, let you see what I came up with, and maybe I'll come back at the end and just say a thank you. All right, this is my idea of a tropical vibes tablescape. Okay, guys, I came back for just a minute or two just to thank everyone for watching this video. If you stayed with me to this point, again, I thank you, thank you, thank you. Also want to make sure that you go down in the description box, visit that playlist. Make sure you go over and say hello to Homebody with Forlisa, as well as Suli of My Style, My Colors. Both of them are fantastic ladies, and I promise you, you will not regret going over and subscribing to both of their channels. So again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.